PC, Steam Epic. Step-by-step fix for Destiny 2 broccoli error. 1. Update your GPU drivers. NVIDIA users use GeForce Experience, nvidia.com/ina/geforce/experience/ or manually update from NVIDIA driver downloads, nvidia.com/download/index.akex. Use AMD Adrenalin software.amd.com/n/support to update drivers. Always clean install the driver using DDU, display driver uninstaller in safe mode if the error persists. 2. Disable overclocking if applied. GPU-CPU overclocking can trigger broccoli error. Use MSI Afterburner or BIOS to revert to default clock speeds. 3. Force Destiny 2 to run on dedicated GPU. Go to Settings, System, Display Graphics Settings, add Destiny 2 executable, destiny2.exe, and set it to high performance. 4. Check and adjust in-game graphics settings. Lower settings like anti-aliasing, shadow quality, ambient occlusion, turn off VSync, and reduce FOV to 90 or below. 5. Disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click destiny2.exe, Properties, Compatibility tab. Tick Disable full-screen optimizations. Also click Change High DPI settings. Check Override DPI scaling. 6. Verify game files. Steam, Library, right-click Destiny 2, Properties, Installed Files, Verify. Epic Games, Library, click 3 dots next to Destiny 2, Manage, Verify Files. 7. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install DirectX runtime.microsoft.com/enus download/details.asp35. Visual C+ redistributables 62learn.microsoft.com/enus/cpp/windows/latest supported VC redist. 8. Switch to windowed or borderless mode. In Settings video, switch to windowed or borderless windowed. 9. Reinstall Destiny 2 if all else fails. Backup saved settings. Fully uninstall and reinstall via Steam Epic. Her SEO title ideas. 1. Fix